Hey, it's Scott from Regenbogen Studios. Today I'm demonstrating the assembly of a chair that we're working on. This is the back of the chair that we're doing first, and it's made out of Iroko, which is African teak. Good, strong wood, but it doesn't have the waxiness of teak. I really try to do correct joinery, so we're using 3/8 dowels and just a good tight bond glue. And if the joint is done correctly, if you tried to break this, you would break the wood around the dowel before you would break the actual joint. I used to test furniture for a living, and you'd be surprised how many chairs you would put any pressure on and the joints would just pop open. And then you could tell there's not enough glue, that wasn't joined properly. So really try to make an effort to do the joinery correctly. When you go to clamp this up, you want to make sure that the back is flat so that the two legs are flat on the ground, and that'll make sure that your chair is not rocking when you go to put the front and the sides together. And when you glue it up, you just want to use enough pressure to close the joints. You'll see squeeze out, and that's good. You want to try to get that cleaned off, but leave the joint clamped for at least 6 hours, and you're ready to go to the next part.